Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be asking the question, is Facebook marketing dead for food truck businesses in 2022? If you haven't updated your marketing strategies on Facebook for your food truck in the last 6 to 12 months, you may have seen a drop in engagement, making you think that Facebook is no longer worth your time. The good news for you is that Facebook marketing is alive and well, and it's definitely worth considering as a traffic source for new and established food trucks. But you need to be doing your marketing the right way. In this video, I want to share with you just 3 Facebook marketing strategies that if you're not already using in 2022 for your food truck business, you want to start as soon as possible. These aren't the only strategies, but they're 3 that should be up there in strategies you're executing now. Strategy 1 is to use more short form video content. A lot of people shy away from this kind of content because they don't like to be in front of the camera, but in 2022 it is a necessity for all businesses and you just can't ignore it, otherwise you are going to get left behind. The main tips I want to give you in this video for your video marketing strategy on Facebook is to make sure you're using vertical videos. And you want to make sure that you're including that kind of video in your stories. Now, these expire after 24 hours, which make them great for giving location updates for that week or day and highlighting any specials that you've got. You should also be using Facebook Reels because these allow you to access a larger audience and bring people onto your page and hopefully start following you. Now, if you want any help with video marketing on Facebook or any other platform, and you want to start using it in your food truck business, then consider joining our free business community that's just for food truck owners. You can talk directly to our marketing team who work exclusively with food truck owners, focusing on growing their business, but you can also talk to other food truck business owners from around the globe in order to be able to see what strategies they're using and to learn from others and to collaborate. The next strategy is influencer partnership. Now, influencers are everywhere these days and they can be global, but they can also be local. And if you can find a local influencer who's active and has an active following, then this could really help you grow your business. They can send you more customers to your food truck. In exchange, you can pay them for this service or you can work out some kind of deal. If you want to know more about this strategy, we will be producing a video on this in a few weeks' time. So just subscribe to the channel and then you'll get a notification if you hit the bell when that video is ready to go live. The next thing that I want to tell you about is to utilize Facebook groups. Now, Facebook pages are just not getting the reach that they were getting 6, 12 months ago or even more. And so you need to be active in trying to get your business out in front of as many people on Facebook. Local groups are a great way to do this because you know the majority of people in that group are local to the area and they will be interested then in coming down to see you at your food truck. What you need to do is make sure you're adding value and you're not just spamming because you will get banned from these pages by admin if you do that. And also make sure your personal Facebook account, which is what you're going to be posting on most likely, is optimized because people are going to be able to see that and not your business page. I hope you found these 3 tips useful. Please consider subscribing to the channel if you are interested in more content on growing your food truck business. We hope to see you in the next video.